Hello everybody, Joe the Lego Man here, and for the last little bit I've been taking some time to kind of clean up our Lego studio, because for a while there we had production lights here, we had a whole bunch of sets here, we had the Millennium Falcon here, which now we have on display somewhere else in our house. So I got rid of that, got rid of some of the boxes in there, and as far as the sets go, all our unbuilt sets are still under the table. But as I was moving them around and rearranging, I figured, you know what? It's time to build a couple more. And I am going to be doing the family house and electric car. Set number 60398 at 462 pieces. Now, we picked up a couple of these. So what I'm going to do, just like with the Surfer Beach House and the Cozy House, putting them together and see what I can come up with. Will it be a huge mansion? Will it be something different? I don't know. I got my Mills plate all ready to rock. Because with the Surfer Beach House, what I did is I just built it on the plates it came with, and then put it on the Mills plate. But this time around, I'm going to start with the Mills plate and build up from the ground. So now let's rip one of these things open and see what's in it. With only 462 pieces, there's only 5 bags, so it's really not so bad. It does come with a loose parts bag, a small sticker element sheet, and 3 instruction books. So I'm going to open these up, organize them out, and just start building. Okay, so as you can see, I got everything over here. So right now, not too bad of a structure. Something simple, straightforward. Used up a lot of the windows just to give it a more open look. We have some of the garage pieces here just to kind of give the walls a little bit of texture. So I'm just going to carry on and see what else I can do. So I didn't quite like the first one because it didn't quite line up when making the roof. So took it all down, made it a good 16 studs wide and 16 studs across. So it's basically a square. Fits a little bit better. And it's kind of added 2 doors in the front. So kept the window theme going around it. And I put a couple little leaves there just to give it a little bit of pop of color. So now this roof is removable. I just have it sitting on the 1x2 modified tiles there. So I'm going to carry on, make the second floor, and see what I can come up with. So I've gone just about as far as we can with the pieces we got. So start with the minifigures. It comes with each set has 3 minifigures. So you got looks like a mom, dad, and a kid. And we got a couple little mini dogs. I think those are really kind of cool. So with the front of the house, kept it a simple A-frame style. Now I like the garage pieces there, so I decided to keep them out to give a little bit of texture. Onto the side here, we have a little bit of a garden. I'm liking these new garden pieces that we got. I think they're really cool. Maybe I'll order some more for the actual city. So for the garage, I decided to go garage port instead of an actual proper garage, along with their electric vehicle. I think it's kind of neat the way they got it. Pretty simple, straightforward vehicle. On the roof, I put a little bit of greenery in just to kind of break up the color a little bit. Now for the back of the house, as you can see on the second floor, this set just didn't have enough slopes for me to do what I want to do. So what I will be doing is probably using inventory to finish this back wall off. But for the roof, I decided to do something a little bit different. So it opens up rather nicely. And I have the 3 peaks in the middle for it to rest on. Second floor, somewhat straightforward. Basic couple beds. Looks like we got a couple pots and storage up in there. Now, of course, this is modular. So this time around, I decided to use the studs, the 1x4 modified tile there for the roof. Inside, got the relatively simple. We got a basic little modern style kitchen with the fridge on the left, more storage space on the right. Got the cooktop and the sink. Got the flat screen TV on the wall. And a simple couch, just you can sit down, chill, relax, watch TV. And there you have it, set number 60398, family house and electric car. 2 sets put together, and as you can see, there's a lot of leftovers, so we'll eventually get those into inventory. Maybe we'll make something else out of it. All that's left is to place that in the city. So like, subscribe, drop a comment,